that should do the pad eyes that I want to do. And I think I'm gonna put on a gear track just behind the seat. Right here. And I figured that's where these go, so I figured the seat's gonna be maybe about here, because my last bulk is somewhere on here. I don't want this hitting me in the elbow. Guess I could put it here. Just don't want to have it in my paddling area when I'm trying to paddle. And again, if you don't like it, you can move it. You can move it. That's an awful lot of screws. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to get this set. And when I bring my cordless drill home, I'll shoot the rest of the screws in there. I didn't mean to throw that. So next is, this would be my camera mount. And it's just some PVC, and I put this part in like this. You can see where this is already glued in there, but this is one of those toilet bolt mounts. And I took this plug that goes in the bottom of that, you should be able to see in there, and epoxied the nut down. So by putting the threads in here like this, you can move it without fear of it falling off. And I'm sure you've seen it on the boat with me before. So once that tightens down like that, then you can still move the threads like this, and then the camera will move up here. Now it makes a squeak. It's a little bit tight. The camera screws in on top of that, so you can put it, move back here out of your paddling way. And I've seen people that just do a 90 right here and have it come straight back and up. It seemed like it would bounce, and I was told that this would bounce too much, but it doesn't. Let's see, it really doesn't. I mean, it looks like that, but once you're on the water, and these new cameras have that thing where it takes the bounce out, so you don't look like one of those terrible news crews that they zoom in, then they do it like that and jerk it around. These cameras actually do pretty good, even with me waving my hand around. All right, so I'll do some more. I'll put some more fasteners in that later. And then I have another Yak Attack mount. And I pay for this out of my pocket. It's not like getting paid by these guys. So I don't give them a whole lot of duty here. And I think I'm going to put this one up here because, like I said, if I put a sail on here, yeah, I'll probably put it right here. That's probably going to be the best spot for it. If I put a sail, I'm probably going to mount it right here, and I'm going to use one of those pentals that you use on to mount a rudder with. I have a lot of senior moments. Can't think of words like pental and rudder. Nope, I'm not having a stroke. I'm just old. Looks pretty good right there. How about this? That looks like a good spot. Why not? And like I said, if you don't like it, you can move it later. And these are all stainless steel screws I ordered off eBay when I was building those teardrop campers. If you go to a hardware store, they're going to be about 40 cents a piece. If you order them off eBay, now wait a minute. Now I can't really. The prices have changed a lot since this, you know, thing. But anyway, they were about 40 cents a piece at the hardware store, and I was getting them for just a few pennies here and there. So you can just put this on here. It looks like that. I'm off of eBay. So I think I'm gonna probably add a pad out here, and another pad out here. What about like this? About like that. So I'll just go off of this thing here and put it about 9 inches from the screw and 1.5 inches in. It should work. In. And even after I sanded it down with 120 and recoated the paint, you can still see scratches in it. But like I say, it looks good enough for what I'm going to be doing. If you get crazy about it, and put a really nice finish on it, the first time you scratch it, you're going to be freaking out. Go. You have an obstructed view from the camera boom there. It's coming together. Sometimes it's slow, but like I told you guys and gals, I would try to show all, you know, as much of the footage as possible, so you don't get to a certain point and go, oh, I'm lost now. What did he do right here? You just wing it, just like I'm doing it. But here it is. It's, you know, it's I'll have it all on video for you guys and gals. Now I can use this for my forestays on the sail. I just have to take time to figure out how I'm going to do the sail. But it won't take a lot, and I'm not going to put a big sail because you don't want to. Too big of a sail will cause issues. Alright, so that's for today. And I don't want to drag it out too long. And we're going to call that a day and maybe open a cold beverage. And I'll see y'all on the next segment of Kayak 2.0 11-foot foam and fabric kayak. Thanks for watching. And I appreciate viewers and subscribers the same. Leave me a message, comment. I'll come and leave you a comment. Thanks a lot.